Name is Ajayi Taiwo. This is MMM Automated Guidance School, Batch 47, Group 6. I'm here to talk about what is MMM, ideology of MMM, how MMM works, benefits of MMM, and the rules of MMM. What is MMM? MMM is a global community of financial aid and donation exchange. MMM is a social network that connects those that are willing to donate money with the ones needing financial help. Participants transfer money directly to each other, peer-to-peer system. No central account where money is stored. This is the one of the strengths of MMM. Ideology of MMM. The main goal why Sadio Mavodi created this mutual benefit community is to fight the unjust financial structure of the world where the rich are getting richer and the poor are getting poorer. So Sadio Mavodi decide to create a legacy which we now call the triple M in order to create the fair and just financial system that the world so deserve, courtesy of his selfishness ideology. Through MMM, we are on the verge of creating a world with financial freedom for all, where common man is liberated of poverty and broken from the enslavement of the world capitalist. Creating a financial system where we no more be an issue. Also to destroy the slave holding society and make everybody equal. How this MMM works? MMM participants give help by transferring the money to each other. MMM is a community of people providing each other financial help on the principle of gratitudeness, reciprocity, and benevolence. MMMs you earn 30% if you provide help, which you mean you deposit. So you now get help, which is you withdraw. So after that, you can take out your reward, or you can return back to the PHQ, or take all. That's all. Benefits of MMM. We are offering a mutual aid program with 30% growth per month for your donation. It's benefit of MMM. You provide help and receive 30% more. Another benefit of MMM is registration bonus. After having registered and make the first donation, the participant receive a bonus in the amount. Maybe if you donate like $50, with the range of $50 to $499, you will receive a registration bonus of $20. If you donate from $500 to $2,900, you will receive a registration bonus of $50. But if you donate more than $3,000, you will receive a registration bonus of $100. Another benefit of MMM is the referral bonus. But you get 10% from all of your participants, all your participants you invited that register under you. If you invite new member from the community, it's your additional contribution to the development. Another benefit of MMM is you can become a manager, like by finishing 10 days online schooling, and you will be earning a manager bonus. Manager bonus like 5% from first level participants donation, 3% second level participant donation, 1% the third level, 0.5% the fourth level, 0.25% the fifth level, and so on. Then another benefit of MMM is bonus for the video in letter of happiness. You can decide just to write a letter of happiness, but if you want a bonus from letter of happiness, so you can do a video, so to get a bonus of the letter of happiness. For instance, now 5%, if you 5% of the amount you receive help if you do a video with your face and voice. If the 3%, if you do a video that you just show, that will not show your face, which is only your voice. So the rules of MMM: do not have multiple accounts. You can always ph as many times as you can in one account. Do not open more than multiple accounts, or less the penalty for it is that you will be blocked, you will even be banned. Do not, another rule is that you should not share your email bank details with other member. Like you be using bank details and another participant will be using the same bank details, so penalty of it, you will be blocked. You should not edit your bank details or change your password less than 50 days before getting them. You should not change your password at any time you like, that you just need to change, or you just edit your bank details less than 15 days before getting them. Your GA should be placed on moratorium. You should not refuse to make payment or click the I refuse to make payment button more than once in a month. Maybe you provide help, you can't meet up with the help, you click I refuse to make payment. You may be considered once, but trying that again, as in the same month, penalty, you can be blocked. Another rule is that you should not make deposit and fail to attach your proof of payment. It's just as if you did not make the payment, so your payment will not be confirmed and you will be blocked. Do not fail to confirm your payment. If another participant pays you, you make a GA sure that another participant pays you and you refuse to make the payment, so you will be asked to present, and you have seen alert and you refuse to confirm the payment, so you will be asked to present your statement of account if you insist that you did not see the money. So that's why it not make you will be asked to present your statement of account, and if you refuse to do so, you will be blocked. Do not, another rules of MMM is that you should not allow your family member to ph more than you. If they have more than the amount to ph to donate, let them do it through your PO, or tell them to register through another guider link. So if your family ph more than you and you find your family ph more than you, you will be blocked. Always remember to write your letter of happiness after GH. It is very important. Immediately you GH and your money have been paid and you have been confirmed, immediately write your letter of happiness, so for people to know that MMM is real, so to publish it on social network, so for them to know that MMM is real. So thanks for watching me. My name is Ajayi Taiwo, MMM Guidance Group. Long live MMM. Together we change the world.